My name is Denver.
What are we going to talk about today, Denver?
Transformer mashups.
Can I see it? Awesome. Okay. And then? What is that called?
The Avengers.
Avengers Micro Mugs.
The Avengers Micro Mug.
Awesome. And the next one?
10 Kind Nights.
10 Kind Nights. Cool. So which one are we going to open first?
This one.
What kind of mashups is that? Cool. What do you do with those mashups?
Squishy. Squishy Dad.
Who is that? He's a transformer.
A Transformer.
What's the next toy figurine you're gonna open? What are you opening now? What are you opening now? What is it called?
The
10 Kind Nights.
10 Kind Nights.
Are you gonna put it together?
Yes. Gonna put the hat on.
Cool, I like the way it opens. Can we see it? Can we see it?
Yes.
Awesome. Now what do you do with his helmet?
Put it on his head.
Awesome.
What does this go?
Is that his weapon?
Yes.
So how many pieces came in the package?
3.
3 came in the package. Good job. Wow, so let's see what he looks like after he's all built. Wow, he looks awesome. What are you going to open now? What is it called?
The Avengers.
The Avengers is your figurine?
The number 4. Yeah. Let's go poochies.
Did you get it open?
No.
I'm excited. I want to see what's in there. Wow. Who is that? see. Awesome. Can we see what figurine you got in there? Can we see what figurine came inside the Avengers? Awesome. Do you know what his name is?
No.
I don't know either. Amazing.
Bye, friends.
Say till next video.
Till next video.